Hello, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Generation 1 Transformers reissue Hot Rod. You can see here, Autobot Cavalier Hot Rod. This is a Walmart exclusive, and this is not the first time Hot Rod's been reissued. He's been reissued multiple times over the last decade, I think. And Walmart has an exclusive reissue for a bunch of Generation 1 figures, including a Generation 1 Optimus Prime, which I have here. He is the same size box as Hot Rod, but doesn't come with a trailer, unfortunately. But let's get him unboxed. Okay, here is Hot Rod out of the package. Now, initially when he came out, he's been out for some time. I had no intention of picking him up. He's actually not one of my favorite characters to have from the G1 era, and I think the original price point was $35, and not really something I really wanted, but because he hasn't been selling at my local Walmart, he has been discounted at 50% of that, at about $17. And at 17 bucks, I will pick him up. So he comes here. There's Hot Rod in here. Comes with two guns. Sticker sheet. And instructions. Okay, so let's look at him in his vehicle mode. In his vehicle mode, very nice chrome rubber tires on this particular version. He does have the rub symbol. Let's see if it works as seems to work just a bit better than the Optimus Prime reissue, but still I'm not liking it. Like I said, I remember back in the day you just touch it and it would be super bright, you could see it. So nothing much here for vehicle mode. Hey, to transform him, let's see if I remember. I believe first thing you do is pull his legs out. There you go. Bring his toes, and his toes here, these are die-cast metal. Flip the arms out. And I believe, I know we do this. Bring this guy down, and then push the head out. And then it flips up like this. And then it tabs into here, like that. Then we can rotate the arms. Let's get this to stick. And then this thing, well, let's push it down. This lower half basically rotates, and there you pretty much have it. I thought this thing would, oh yeah, this thing snaps in, I believe, or should snap in. There you go. So the head will stay. It's been a while. There you go. Okay, let's get them all in this shot here. So you can fit him. And there is Hot Rod. Let's put his weapons on. That's pretty much to it. I mean, Honestly, I'm not even sure why this figure gets reproduced so often. It's not really that great of a figure. I would actually understand if they reproduce Rodimus Prime more often, being, you know, the connection to the movie, and that he, in G1, he's the successor to Optimus Prime. But I do understand that Hot Rod becomes him, but yeah, not too sure. So here he is in the back. Very plain without the stickers. I'll probably apply the stickers later on. As far as articulation goes, it's all in his arms. He can go up, going to go down, and of course, because of the transformation, he can rotate, but it won't go all the way 360 because there's stuff in the way. So a little bit of swivel on the side, and that's pretty much it for articulation. He is a brick. Okay, let's put him aside and do some size comparison with the Generation 1 Optimus Prime. Here's the G1 reissue here. Let's get his fists so he can properly transform. Now, the disappointing part for me with the Hot Rod reissue is in the instructions. Like, this is the instruction sheet for Optimus Prime, very nice G1-ish, and for Hot Rod it's this. So would have been nice if it was like this, but I think Prime came afterwards, so at least they're improving. Alright, let's see how Rodimus stands out next to Optimus. Let's get Optimus in robot mode real quick. And there you go. Optimus is slightly taller. Well, actually, not slightly, a lot taller. What am I talking about here? He is a lot taller, but still, I don't think that height justifies the price difference that Optimus has with Hot Rod. So there you go. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, very simple figure. Definitely, in my opinion, not worth it at $35. But if you get this guy on clearance, somewhat worth it for nostalgia's sake. Definitely not worth it as a toy, in my opinion. Especially even Optimus Prime, as a toy, but as a figure to remember from the past and to enjoy in that aspect, definitely worth it. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.